Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're doing a model walkthrough tour of the Trenton floor plan. This is part of the executive line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Trenton here is a 6-bedroom, 3-bath home, over 3,300 square foot with a loft and 2-car garage. Let's walk in here, take a look. Well, directly to my left here is the first guest bedroom located here on the first floor, right off of the guest bath here with the singular sink, the commode, and then the combination tub and shower. Right off that first guest bedroom, you have this flex space right here, which can be used as a formal dining room if you like, or another sitting area. Now coming into the main part of the house here, it opens up into this really nice, great room design here. So tons of space overlooking your kitchen here with the nice island there centered. Off to the left of the kitchen, that's where you're going to have your laundry space as well as your access to your 2-car garage. So you've got a coat closet here, and that's your 2-car garage, and then you've got your indoor laundry space right here. Now going directly across the kitchen, we're going to come right into the master bedroom. Really nice sized master bedroom here, and spacious master bath with the dual sinks. You've got the standalone shower here. You've got the enclosed water closet, and then you've got this huge clothes closet right here, which extends way back there. So really nice spacing here in the Trenton. Now going upstairs, we're going to come across the loft area and then also the other guest bedroom. So right at the top of the stairwell, you've got this huge loft space. It's perfect for a big family, play area, nice media center, all those kind of fun things. Now, we have the rest of the guest bedrooms upstairs here. So you've got this one here back in the corner. You've got another one right here. In between the other guest bedrooms and those, you have the upstairs guest bathroom with the dual sinks, the commode, and the combination tub and shower right there. Then we have the last of the other 2 guest bedrooms. This one here has a walk-in closet, which is nice. And then coming across, this is your last one here in the Trenton. So this is a great floor plan, folks, for those who have a big family, have the need for lots of space, over 3,300 square foot here in the Trenton floor plan. You get those 6 bedrooms. If you're interested in this home or something similar to it, give us a call, contact us, all of the information that you see below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.